Welcome back, photography enthusiasts. It's that time of the year again, and we've scoured the market to bring you the ultimate guide to the best instant cameras of 2023. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. Firstly, Fujifilm's Instax Mini series continues to evolve, offering a budget-friendly instant photography option. The Instax Mini 12 is a child's play camera that produces lovely-looking prints and is recommended for instant photography on a budget. Its 60mm f/12.7 lens and close-up selfie mode reduce the minimum focus distance from 0.5 meters to 0.3 meters, similar to the main camera on a smartphone. The camera's field of view is closer to the 35mm focal length, allowing for easy portraits with a small mirror next to the lens. Its exposure parameters are the same as the Mini 11, with a shutter speed range of 0.5 seconds to 1/250th of a second and ISO 800 sensitivity rating. However, the Instax Mini 12 overexposes highlights in bright sunlight and flash. To address this issue, reducing exposure by 1 eV or increasing the fastest available shutter speed to 1/500th of a second or providing a slower ISO 400 film could help. Overall, the Instax Mini 12 with auto exposure control, slow sync flash, and an accurate viewfinder creates lovely party prints. Fujifilm Instax Mini 40. The Mini 40 is a compact instant film camera that offers auto exposure, variable shutter speed, and selfie mode, making it suitable for both newcomers and existing fans. It uses Fuji's compact Instax Mini film, which is one of the most affordable formats available at around $8 per £8 per 10-shot pack. The camera is slightly smaller than the Mini 11, but still not small enough to fit in a pocket. It is held vertically, making it light enough to use comfortably with one hand, and has a rubberized thumb rest for support. Its camera has two buttons, one extends the lens barrel and the other releases the shutter. While the built-in flash is automatic and cannot be disabled, even in bright sunlight, the spring-loaded lens barrel pops up when the release button is pressed, and it is designed for selfie mode, which is meant for shooting between 0.3 and 0.5 meters. Each print is mechanically ejected via a slot in the top of the camera, and it takes upwards of 5 minutes to fully develop. Also, this Instax has the edge over Polaroid's I-type film in this respect, as it has a calibrated auto-exposure system that fires every time the shutter button is pressed, regardless of lighting conditions. Lomography Lomo'Instant. The Lomography Lomo'Instant Automatic Glass Instant Camera is a sleek and compact camera that offers classic vibes and is perfect for any photography outing. Its glass lens is a game-changer, producing remarkable, vintage yet modern image quality with vivid colors and impressive clarity. The auto mode is a time-saver, allowing users to point, shoot, and let the camera do its thing. The camera also offers a multiple exposure mode, allowing users to experiment with double exposures and create unique, artsy images. The camera is compatible with a splitzer for surreal effects. Plus, this camera uses Fujifilm Instax Mini film, which develops quickly and is easy to load. In conclusion, the Lomography Lomo'Instant Automatic Glass Instant Camera is a delightful instant camera that captures nostalgia of film photography while offering modern features. Its glass lens, auto exposure mode, and creative options make it a fun and stylish tool for capturing life's spontaneous moments. NANS SL660. Going on, we have the NANS SL660 Instant Camera, a revolutionary instant camera that offers a unique blend of classic charm and modernity. Its sturdy body and larger size allow for the use of interchangeable lenses, allowing for a wide range of lens options. The camera's EF mount, similar to traditional SLR cameras, allows for the use of various Canon EF lenses, allowing for endless possibilities in wide-angle, macro, and prime lens photography. For those who prefer manual control, the camera allows for adjustments to settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO for perfect exposure. It uses Fujifilm Instax Square film, which produces excellent results with vibrant colors and sharp details, while the EF lenses further enhance the camera's image quality. Despite its impressive image quality, the NANS SL660 Instant Camera has its downsides. It is not suitable for those who prefer a more traditional analog shooting experience. However, for those passionate about photography and appreciate the tactile experience of analog shooting, the NANS SL660 instant camera is a must-have. Polaroid Now Plus. Next is the Polaroid Now Plus White 9062, a modern instant camera that combines nostalgia with modern technology. Its sleek design and lightweight construction make it easy to use. The camera is Bluetooth connected, allowing users to pair it with their smartphone using the Polaroid app, allowing for remote shooting and unique effects. The bonus lens filter set, which includes color gels and diffusers, allows users to experiment with filters without relying solely on digital post-processing. Added to that, this Polaroid Now Plus uses I-type film, known for producing sharp, vibrant photos with a classic Polaroid look. It features autofocus and an accurate flash system, making it perfect for spontaneous moments. In all, this Polaroid Now Plus White 9062 is a great choice for both nostalgic Polaroid enthusiasts and tech-savvy photographers. Its Bluetooth capabilities, sleek design, and bonus lens filter set make it a great choice for both nostalgic Polaroid enthusiasts and tech-savvy photographers. Kodak Step Touch. Finally, there's the Kodak Step Touch, a wonderful hybrid device that perfectly merges conventional photography and digital convenience. This tiny and user-friendly gadget, with its elegant design and 3.5-inch LCD touchscreen display, delivers a 13-megapixels digital camera that shoots high-quality photographs, making it ideal for both photography aficionados and casual users. What actually distinguishes it is its immediate printing capacity, made possible by Zinc Zero Ink technology, which makes the process quick and easy, with smudge-proof and water-resistant prints that don't require ink cartridges or specific photo paper. The Kodak Step Touch is more than just a camera. It also has a 1080p HD video camera and an editing suite built in for boosting your material. Its Bluetooth connectivity enables easy printing and camera control from your smartphone. In the end, this adaptable all-in-one gadget bridges the digital and physical worlds of photography, appealing to photography aficionados, family documentarians, and travelers while providing a plethora of creative possibilities and sharing opportunities. I'd give it 4 out of 5 stars because of the slight drawbacks with consumables and image quality, but it's still a fascinating addition to your tech arsenal for documenting and sharing life's moments. There you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed our rundown of the best instant cameras 2023 has to offer. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below.